Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewage pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Superior Pump Sewage Pump with Tethered Float Switch. To lift water faster, get the Superior Sewage Pump. To begin with, it features 1/2 HP and can move 4,800 gallons in 1 hour. This pump can quickly lift water about 25 inches of vertical height. Next, the rugged cast iron material makes it long-lasting. For efficiency, its cord is 10 inches long and rust-resistant. Having 2-inch NPT discharge, it handles about 2-inch solids. When you use it on level plains, it will move about 80 gallons in 1 minute. This sewage pump can produce 10.83 psi maximum force. Most importantly, it has a continuous duty motor to ensure reliable performance. Also, this motor works at 1,750 revolutions per minute speed and produces about 912 power watts. Uniquely, it has an aluminum non-clogging vortex impeller for durability. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WaterAce Black Sewage Pump. Coming fourth on this list is the WaterAce Sewage Pump. First, this pump is made from cast iron material to last longer. Its motor features efficient 115 volts PSC for a lower carbon footprint. So, it features a flow rate of about 7,800 GPH. Secondly, it has a 2 inches discharge for pumping 2-inch solids. Thirdly, it has an extra long 20 inches power cord. This helps to ensure flexibility during installation. Another important feature of this sewage pump is that it has a unique size. Its dimensions measure 15.39 by 8.21 by 15.39 inches. On top of that, it has a weight of 42.4 pounds for portability. Its user manual is available for safe and easy installation. At number 3, we have the SCHRAIBERPUMP Heavy-Duty 1 Horsepower 230V Sewage Pump. The design of the SCQ2M allows it to lift dirty water during mining, architectural and industrial operations. Therefore, you can install it in galleries, sewages, wells, evacuation sites, basements, and underground parks. Next, the float switch turns off the pump automatically when the level of water is too low. This helps to prevent overloading and to overheat to ensure reliability and security. Advantageously, you can use this pump continuously when fully submerged without damage. Its turbine oil surrounds the motor to ensure heat dissipation. Also, it ensures permanent bearings lubrication and mechanical protection against the outside environment. The stainless steel material and high-quality cast iron make it long-lasting and strong. At number 2, we have the WaterAce Black Sewage Pump. Next on this list is the WaterAce Sewage Pump. Firstly, it is made from heavy-duty cast iron material and thermoplastic material to last longer and be strong. With a 20 inches long power cord, it is flexible during installation. Furthermore, it has a 2 inches discharge for pumping 2-inch solids. On the other hand, it features 1/2 HP with a flow rate of 5,700 GPH. Remarkably, it has dimensions measuring 16 by 7.88 by 16 inches. It also has a 115 volts PSC motor to ensure a lower carbon footprint. The wide-angle switch helps to put the pump off or on. In addition to that, it weighs 23.4 pounds. Being light in weight, it is easy to lift during installation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Barnes Sewage Pump. This sewage pump by Barnes is very powerful. It has 1-1/2 horsepower. Most importantly, it has a 2-inch discharge. This permits 2-inch spherical solids to pass without clogging. Equally important, it has a 20 feet long cord to ensure flexible installation. Subsequently, its split capacitor motor features 240 volts, 1 pH for high performance, lower amp draw, and longer motor life. Uniquely, it features a stainless steel shaft, heavy-duty ceramic seal, industrial carbon, ball bearings lubricated with oil and hardware. All these make it long-lasting and strong. Next, it features plug-in power cords. As a result, it is easy to maintain, Finally, it pumps about 160 GPM, and its maximum discharge head is 64 feet. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.